Greetings, Yamadan. Hey everybody, how are you feeling? I hope your day is going well. This is Illuminated Light, sharing and shining light. Today's topic is on the acai bowl. I made a video earlier doing a month on the acai smoothie. So today we are doing a bowl. So I would like to mention to you guys that this channel is spreading or sharing, shining light on wellness, beauty, self-love, health, and fitness. So we're talking about a lot of things under the sun, including those things that I just mentioned. But today's video is going to be on the acai bowl. So the first ingredient that we're going to add is the acai. I hope you guys can see this. I got this from a local Walmart the other day. I already have the blueberries. They're frozen blueberries. I already added them. I added a lot. This is my first time doing the bowl, but we're gonna see how this turn out. So I added a lot because with the acai bowl, you want it to have that thick texture. So I added a lot of blueberries. And I have cut up already, pre-cut, some strawberries, granola, and some bananas to put on top of the acai bowl. And we're gonna add a banana as well, along with, you know it, almond butter. So, okay. And we have our bowl ready and the almond milk. So, the first thing that we're gonna add is the acai. And I don't have a measuring cup. I really, and most people don't, when they're doing things, they just put it in. But there are some people out there, and I'm sure you guys can relate to that do measure. But I just added the acai as much as I liked it, and I'm sure that you will be interested in doing the same. So add as much as you like. Don't overdo it. So just add enough that you feel that it's that is enough for your acai bowl. So the next thing that I'll be adding is the banana. This is a ripe banana, and it is ready to go. Really yellow. So we're gonna add that banana in there. And the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and add, I like to go ahead and add the milk before I add the almond butter, because like I mentioned in the last video, when you're dealing with almond butter, for some reason it will get stuck on the side of the blender cup. So I like to go ahead and add the milk first before I add the almond butter. So the next thing we're going to add is the almond butter. I know that this acai bowl is going to be good. Oh, it's almost the last bit of my almond butter. So we add almond butter. And I'm just adding a spoon of it. Just adding a spoon of it. The next thing I'll be adding after that, you can add like a sweetener, whether you can use dates, agave nectar, or raw cane sugar. But I've already added agave nectar to this. So we're gonna go ahead and start the blender. These blueberries are frozen, And I didn't add that much almond milk, so I'm just gonna give it a shake to kind of just work everything down to the bottom. I was not expecting that, so we're gonna give it another try. I hope that this is thick enough, because you want it really thick when you pour it inside your bowl, because you want to be able to eat this with a spoon. So let's give it a test. That is really, 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 really good. So I'm gonna pour this in. Let me take a napkin real fast. The bowl is kind of wet. Put that over there. I'm gonna pour in, and I hope you guys can see the texture of this. Ooh, look how thick it is. It's gonna fill up. Ooh, it's gonna be more than what I expected. Oh well. Ooh, look how thick it is. Ooh, it's really thick. This back out the way, and the next thing that we're going to add is the fruits that I already cut up and prepared. I know you guys can't see this, but I'm going to add them anyway. And you just, what I'm adding first is the strawberries. So I'm gonna add maybe 6 strawberries. Ooh. And the next thing after that I'm gonna add is the bananas. I'm gonna add the cut up and diced up real cute and nice and neat. I have really been looking forward to making this acai bowl. So I'm adding the bananas. The next thing I'm going to add, I have some blueberries. So I'm going to add the blueberries next. And the last but not least, I'm going to add granola. Oh, this is looking really, really, really good. So I added strawberries, bananas, and granola to this acai bowl. And strawberries, bananas, and granola and blueberries to this acai bowl. You can add whatever you like. I really wanted to add some almond nuts. I have some sliced almond nuts. I want to add this to it, but I don't know where I put them. I hope this video really helps someone on their vegan journey or just eating healthy journey. I'm gonna test this. That is really, really, really good. If you have any questions, please follow me on Instagram at illuminatedlight3. Stay woke, you guys. Live a healthy lifestyle. This is Illuminated Light, sharing and shining light. See you guys on the next video. Peace.